Okay, let's do some final exam review. For the final. Oh, okay. Of course, you're going to have to solve something like this. Solve x squared plus 5x plus 4 equals 0. So you could use the quadratic formula to solve this, but if you can factor, factoring is always the easiest, fastest way. When you look, you notice you've got all positives. You've got x squared, so these both have to be x. We have plus and plus because it's positive and positive. Now, two numbers multiplied together that equal 4, add together equal 5. So 2 and 2, 4 and 1, which one adds to be 5? 1 and 4. Okay, so x plus 1 equals 0. X plus 4 equals 0. Subtract 1. X equals -1. Subtract 4. X equals -4. Two solutions. -1, -4. How about this? 3 times x minus 1 minus 4 times x plus 2 equals 5. Okay? So the first thing you're going to do is distribute. This minus here is best served by calling it plus and negative. I prefer to do it that way. I think you should too. 3 times x minus 1 is 3x minus 3. -4 times x plus 2 is minus 4x. Minus 4 times positive 2, minus 8, equals 5. Let me just look and see. Okay, 3x minus 4x, now combine like terms. 3x minus 4x on the same side, -1x. -3 minus 8, they're on the same side, that's -11. Okay, add 11 to both sides. -x equals 16. If you multiply both sides by -1, you'll get positive x equals -16. Let's see, number 3. How about x over 4 minus x over 3 equals 2. Okay, so here we have fractions, or sometimes they call them rational expressions. Rational is just another word for fraction. X divided by 4 minus x divided by 3. The easiest way to solve this is to clear these ugly denominators, and the way you do that is you multiply by the common multiple of 4 and 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, so let's do 12 times this, 12 times this, but if you multiply by 12 here, you've got to multiply by 12 here. So you got 12x over 4 minus 12 times x over 3 equals 24. 12x over 4, 3x, 12x over 3, that's minus 4x equals 24. So 3x minus 4x, -x equals 24. Sort of just like the previous one, positive x then equals -24. Sir, will they all be -x? No. All right, thank you. Let's take a little peek here, a little look-a-loo. -5 is less than x is less than equal to 8. Interval notation, please. Interval notation. How do you write this as an interval? Well, what you see here is x is between -5 and 8. In interval notation, we say -5 and 8. It can be 8, so we put a bracket there because it can include it, but it doesn't include -5. We put a parenthesis. Thank you.